Phone is not a gold. Means that the price of the phone goes down as the time passes. Of course, everybody knows that. Uh, versus the gold price goes up when you keep it. The biggest problem that we face on the store when I have a cell phone store, that over the period of time, customer comes into me, give us the phone, we take the phone, we tell them this much going to be price for the repair. For instance, LCD for iPhone costs us $200, and we do the repair. And for some reason, we calling customer doesn't come back, and he come back after 1 month or 15 days, sometime even, and be like, hey, cross the street, this guy doing it a lot cheaper. You charge me $250. Of course, the part cost me $200. $50 was my labor. So you charge me $250, and now cross the street, somebody else doing for $135. Now, I can't explain it. It's hard to explain the customer the price of the screen's drop. So that's the reason the person across the street can charge lower, but it's hard to explain. So this is the biggest problem we face in a repair cell phone store. So what we have built, we have a built feature called autopilot. Usually what happens, your technician are not the people person, and your people person is not a technician. So the person in the front takes the phone, give it to the technician. Now technician will do the repair and it's done. If your store is busy, like it was my store, and it was not crazy even. So if there's a phone coming in and going out a lot, so what happened? The connection between a cashier, the person who's receiving the phone from the front end, because they're not just taking a repair phone, they're doing a repair phone, and they're selling the phones and do other stuff. So connection between technician and the person in the front get break. So what we have built something called autopilot feature in CellSmart POS. That feature allow you to set up, as a store owner, to set up auto reminder to your customer. Let me show you. So simply, it's basically whenever your technician will mark the phone fixed, it will send a customer a text message. Hey, your phone is ready. Please come pick up your phone from Uncle Wireless, 1989 University Avenue, and bring this much money. That's your balance. So now what happened? Sometimes we keep customer 2-3 days, 4 days. Well, nowadays the phones are easy to repair. Some of them is very hard. So if it takes longer, we keep the phone with us, especially the one we have to order the part. When we get the part, it takes 10-15 days. The part comes from eBay or from other places you buy. When a part comes to you, then your phone repair and your technician repaired the phone, they put it, and the cashier in the front call or not call. So what we have built, autopilot. Once you set it up, autopilot, what it does, as soon as your technician would mark the phone fixed, there's a bunch of types. You could set up your own custom, but as soon as they mark fixed, what will system do? Send a custom generated text message to a client. Say, hey, your phone is ready. Please pick up your phone, bring your balance and your address, phone number, whatever you like. It's quite easy to set up this. In order to set up this, you simply go to the repair list. In the repair list, click on manage. Once you go in the manage, on the manage, you'll see a bunch of options. You're looking for a repair status. So far we have cannot fix, fixed, and working. By default, always is working. And when your technician basically receive the repairs, it's working. When they mark it on fixed and cannot fix, you can have custom text message generated to your customer. Matter of fact, you can create your own. Type, like waiting for parts or order your part or something like that, and it will generate the custom text message based on your type you set it up. For instance, fix, we set it up here. So by default, we gave you a custom message. Dear customer name, you can get your fields right here, a bunch of fields that you can pick up. Then the repair item number has been fixed, ready to be picked up from, then pick up address, and due amount is boom, and then you can just put whatever you want. It's up to 150 character. You can even change the color of the fix, so we kept it green. You can always have any other color you like. And auto send alert on. Once you turn it on and you save it, what's going to happen, as soon as the technician marks the phone repair, for instance here, any of the repair phone, they say this edit, and so right here, if you click on any of the phone and you mark it that the phone is working from fix right here. As soon as you hit save, it's gonna send a text message, a custom built text message to your customer, and that cut down your basically loss. Here you don't have to worry about that your technician need to tell your cashier and the cashier need to call. Of course, customer these days call you back and forth, but at least you have done your job. Thanks for watching. My name is Muhammad from CellSmart POS.